and you just are like, damn it! Get down there with your ponytail head and wipe this shit up. Get down there with your ponytail head and wipe my puke. I'm off the school desk.
Hop off the what?
The school desk.
I'm worried about the school.
Like a desk that's in your school and you're sitting at it because you're at
Leo
school.
is not
And
impressed.
for some reason they don't let you stand up during class. Have you ever understood that? Like during a...
When you stand up, you can't hear.
No, the thing is, like,
Obvious.
when you stand up, they're like, sit down. So
You sit down.
No. Well, they're discussing something when they're like having a lecture. They're just like,
Yeah, they can fucking sit down.
they're just like, sit down so you can be lower than me so I can lecture you. And it's just like, dude, fuck the system.
Alright, Ash.
Fight the fucking power. Fight
White
for the right
power.
to party. And white people stuff. You know what I'm saying. You all know what I'm saying. You guys is white. You know.
Leo is tan.
Leo, you're like the next pigment up. You're like yellow belly feller. Fucking yellow. You're so yellow, Leo. Is that like an insult when you're like so yellow? Like when you get offended about so yellow. I'm gonna piss my fucking
I'm gonna piss Leo's pants. He's not
Leo's
even wearing any.
Brady! Leo's not wearing anything.
You look like such a fucking cat. Careful, there are the doggies. Oh, look, he's dreaming.
Oh, cute. He's dreaming. He must be dreaming about getting a job at that law firm. He wants to get a job
Oh, look, now he's having a wet dream.
But I told him.
Look at him.
You're gonna regret every step of the way.
Brady, can you get Alexa a piece of bread?
I suppose I can.
You're just
Abby.
never gonna have sex with your wife.
Bread open.
I know, because I was going to have more, but
That's how it gets stale.
I haven't gone into it yet.
Did you know if you keep your bread in your freezer, it lasts really long?
Yeah, but when you put it in the freezer, then you